Today in class we talked about variables as in algebra. A variable is a letter that represents a number. Over here I've drawn an in-out box like the ones we did in class today. An in-out box, you put a number in, you do something to it, which we subtracted 10 here, that's our rule, and you get an answer. So x, which is what goes in, minus 10, that's what we do to it, to give us our answer, which is y. Okay, so I did the second one over here. X minus 10 equals 38. If you add 10 to 38, it will give you x. So 48 minus 10 equals 38. Okay, I did one down here, number 3. 49 minus 10 is equal to y, because that's our answer. 49 minus 10 is 39. Then I did number 4. X, because we don't know what x is, minus 10 equals 72. If you add 10 to both sides, it'll tell you what x is. X is 82. I know that this is a little bit confusing. We're going to cover it some more tomorrow. You don't have any homework tonight. You can review this video. However, if you have x and then whatever you're supposed to do, you can always do the opposite over here and it will give you the answer. So with subtraction, you're adding. If it was an adding problem, you could subtract over here and it would tell you what x is. If it was a division problem, you could multiply that number over here and it would give you the answer. So we'll talk more about that tomorrow. I hope this helps. Have a great night.